Let's have a look how you can bring audio to your video in iMovie. So I'm in my iMovie now and I just go up and click on audio and it gives you option. You can choose from music, the songs that you have in your iTunes, in your computer, or you can choose from sound effects. I'm going to show you how you can work with sound effects in this video. So you click on the sound effect and it has different folders you can work with. So let's say you are working on videos that have different sports and you need a sound of a tennis ball or basketball dribbling. If you work with animals and you need, let's say, rooster crow or cow mooing, you can just go to these folders and choose what you need the most, what sound you need. Like for example, you need a kid's laughter, etc. Usually for my intro scene, I go to jingles and I choose some audio from these jingles which I like, and depending on the mood I'm in at the day, I just choose the jingle what suits my mood. My intro clip is 8.5 seconds, so usually I choose a jingle that is longer than 8 seconds. If it's longer, I just cut it out, but let's see. I like this one, so I'm just gonna grab it and drag it down below my video, and you can see it's a little bit longer, so I'm going to just grab the end and bring it closer. Usually I like to go a little bit over to the next scene, so I'm just going to finish it here. And then what I do, I adjust the volume. Now it's at 100%, which is a little bit too high. I usually like it to be around 50% for my intro. And also when you place this bar at the beginning, you can see that you have this little dot which I want to grab and drag it in, this one, which means that the music will fade in, and also I want it to fade out so it doesn't stop suddenly. Usually what I do also when I do my videos for my last scene, I have my videos and the topic I'm talking about in between, and my last scene also I like to have a little jingle. I usually use the same jingle that I use for my intro, and I just drag it down and also adjust the volume for 50%, 60%, depending. I play it out and see if I like the sound. And I will do the fade in and fade out of the music. You can have a music playing a little bit longer than your scene, but I usually like to bring it just maybe 1 or 2 seconds longer. Okay, so now we have our jingles with our videos, with our scenes, and I'm going to play it from the beginning. Let's see how it looks. Thank you for watching. In my next video, I will show you how you can download the songs to iMovie and play it in your videos.